How to disable your Windows Defender. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'll show you guys a few ways to completely disable your Windows Defender. The very first thing you want to do is access your settings. Right click on the start menu and then go ahead and click on settings. Once your settings opens up, you want to find your Windows Defender, go to privacy and security, and then you'll find Windows Security over here. Click on it. And once you get to Windows Security, you want to open Virus and Threat Protection. Click on it again. It's going to open up Windows Defender. There are some settings you need to disable over here. So from here, under Virus and Threat Protection settings, you want to go to click on Manage Settings, and then make sure that these are turned off. Make sure you toggle off all of these. Click on Yes. And once you toggle these off, you should be good to go. So just go ahead and do this for all of the items. Now, once that is done, there's one more thing you can do on your registry editor. Go to the search bar, search for registry editor, click on Yes. Now you want to go ahead and expand HKey local machine, click on the drop down, then software, and then scroll down until you find policies. From this, go to Microsoft, and then find Windows Defender. Drop down this, click on Windows Defender, and you're going to right click on it, and then create a new DWORD 32-bit value. And you're going to name it anti-spyware, and then I just hit enter. You need to rename it and name it as Disable Anti-Spyware. So let's just rename this and then here add disable. But you need to make sure that all of these first letters are uppercase and there are no space in between. Double click on it. Now you need to set the value data to 1 and then click on OK. After this, the most important step is to restart your PC and your Windows Defender will be disabled. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.